Hey, this is Harold from Ask the Mower Guy, and a lot of people have been asking me about making a video for this beast. This is the Blazer 4 4-seater. So what they've done is they've taken a Blazer, and it's a 200cc fuel-injected unit. They've stretched it, and they have added an entire middle row of seats. We've sold several of these 200cc fuel injection units, and so far the performance has been great. We've enjoyed it. You know, we're putting this one together, and I just want to give a quick sneak preview. See what's missing right there? There's no carburetor. It's pure fuel injected. It has the same components basically with the air filter assembly. It's got a small tow hitch on the back. You know, even though it has that tow hitch, you don't want to be pulling too much weight, because what will happen is you'll burn up the belt that's underneath that black cover to the left right there. But it does give you the ability to put a small trailer on it. It does come with the flag, so you can see yourself out there. This one, we are still putting it together. As you can see here in the back seat, we normally order these with a full windshield setup, and there'll be a light bar and a cloth top on top. It does have the adjustable steering. It'll have lights, mirrors, windshield, forward and reverse shifter right there, and then that's the parking brake right there in the front. I'm 6 foot tall, and for us it's very easy to ride around in. It's got the bars right there where you can grab on if they're bouncing pretty heavy in the front. You know, it's got a nice ground clearance when you stand back and take a peek at it. It's a longer unit, so you'll probably need a trailer. It'd be difficult to put this into anything but a long bed on a pickup. And it does come with the LED lights up front, blinkers and flashers. If you see that right there next to the mirror sets, they're coming right off the front. Has the fenders front and back, nice suspension system. Comes with a horn, and it has a dash that tells you the speed, the mileage, kill switch right there on the dash, so the passenger can reach over and shut them off if they're not paying attention. Hey, this is the Blazer 4 200EX. Once this thing's running, we're going to pop out another video and show it just driving around here at the dealership. But all in all, everyone that we've sold, we very much enjoyed it. We haven't had any real issues with them. We'd like you guys to come down, take a look at it, check it out, your dealership near you, or come by our dealership, and we'll be happy to let you come and sit in it. Oh, those seats are adjustable on the driver's side, so you know, if you're a little bit short-legged, well, you can move that seat forward. If you're a little bit long-legged, move that seat backward. You get a good opportunity here for everybody to have fun, the family. Kids can be in the front, kids can be in the back, you can be in the front, you can be in the back. Take it out for a spin. Blazer 400EX. Now what the EX stands for is that is going to be the fuel injected version. Blazer 4. Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe and look for our next video. And as we're getting new pieces of equipment in, we do these walk-arounds like this. Give everybody an opportunity to see what the equipment is, and helps us to be able to communicate, you know, via social media and stuff like that. Hey, thanks a lot for watching, and talk to you soon.